Hello everyone. In this video series, we are going to see the second lesson of buildspace.so that is meant to your own NFT. Buildspace.so is a website which will give you very useful tutorials to get started with the Web3. So now let's start it with the mint your own NFT. So before starting it, let's first see what is non-fungible token or NFT and what is minting. So basically, a non-fungible token, according to Wikipedia, a non-fungible token is a unique digital identifier that cannot be copied, substituted, or subdivided. That is recorded in a blockchain and that is used to certify authenticity and ownership. It's basically a digital asset that you will keep on a blockchain. And what is minting an NFT? uh, is publishing a unique digital asset on a blockchain so that it can be bought, sold, and traded. So minting is basically a process of publishing NFTs on a blockchain. So remember this term NFT stands for non-fungible token. Okay, let's get started. Now create a folder NFT minting. You can check my first tutorial series in which we have worked on my wave portal. That is uh, the first tutorial of buildspace.so. Create your first contract, build a Web3 app with Solidity. Let's move on. Okay, so what we are creating. Okay, first what we are building. Okay, you know those websites where people are making millions of dollars, where users can come and mint an NFT. We are building that. Your project will let users connect their Ethereum wallet, mint an NFT to their wallet so that they actually own it. They'll even be able to resell the NFT on OpenSea. NFT itself can be customized to whatever you want. So we are basically creating a Web3 app where users can come and mint the NFT that you have published. it also uh, it also shows you how you can create on block on chain NFTs. So what is on chain NFT? I will discuss in later sections. Okay. Now let's get started. Mint your first NFT. uh, NFT is a token that a person can own that links to some piece of data. Example, a link to a piece of digital art, a video, an image, etc. The trick with NFT is that each token has a unique identifier and that lets the owner prove that it's one of a kind. We'll be seeing the code later. Okay. Let's see how we can create NFTs. Let's say Picasso wanted to create a collection of hundred of his sketches to sell. We know that each sketch is a unique because we can see that we can see it's a physical pencil drawing. So it's obvious Picasso didn't just print a bunch of copies. We also know that Picasso drew it. How? Well, because Picasso said he drew it and signed it. You can buy this original Picasso sketch now and get a certificate proving you have Picasso original from the Gallery Picasso's forehead ad. You have to trust that the gallery certificate will be respected long term, but overall, that is, I don't get it. Picasso NFTs. Let's look at this example in NFT and land now. Let's say Picasso wanted to create a collection of 100 of his skeleton sketches where each sketch is a digital drawing like a JPEG file. Picasso could create his NFT collection by coding up his own smart contract, that the code that runs all the logic of his NFT collection. It given each piece of artwork unique identifier, example sketch 1, sketch 2, sketch 3, etc. Then when Picasso is ready to launch his NFT collection, he would launch it using his own Ethereum wallet to sign the NFT collection. Where he's ready, he'll put it on the public blockchain where everyone can publicly see Picasso's NFT collection. Then when Picasso wants to sell one of NFTs, all he needs to do is to transfer the NFT over the person who bought it using the buyer's public wallet address. The person who bought NFT will be happy because they got one of a kind original Picasso from Picasso himself, and best part, they can prove it. How? The buyer can prove that the NFT collection was originally signed and created by Picasso himself because NFT would show that it came from the smart contract signed by Picasso. Remember, Picasso signed a collection with his public address. Usually, artists publicly announce their wallet address so no one can pretend to be them. The buyer can prove that the NFT itself is a unique Picasso sketch from the collection because each NFT from the collection has unique identifier. Sketch 1, sketch 2, sketch 3 that comes from the person who originally created the collection. Okay, so hope that makes sense. Uh, it's very easily defined. uh, I can redefine it. Let's say Picasso was an artist, was a great artist who was creating images, who was create his art. So if he was around today, uh, so how he can create NFTs and sell it? So NFT in NFT basically uh, every NFT has some unique identifier. Like said, something you have created an image, uh, a a person image with a blue shirt, or with a green shirt, or with a cap, or without cap, with the glasses, or without glasses. So each image is unique in itself. So and that what we call it artwork, a unique identifier, that each each NFT is unique. So how he can sell it? So he can create a smart contract. A smart contract will upload the mint the NFT on blockchain, and user will uh, one who mint it will get it, and at the return Picasso will get his money. So that's the basic concept, how we can sell and create NFTs collection and then sell it on uh, blockchain. Okay, this is extremely a powerful concept. The idea that any file can be made unique and valuable is amazing. One important thing that that uh, how we know that the image is coming from Picasso. So basically, it came from a smart contract signed by Picasso. So remember, Picasso signed a collection with a public address. Usually artists publicly announce wallet address, so no one can pretend to be them. So basically, uh, the the wallet address through which user have uploaded uh, the smart contract. So artist will going to announce that this is my public address, and this is my public address. So this image is authenticated from me. So that's original image. So no one can just copy paste that image and upload it again and claim that image by itself. Claim that image. So that's the basic concept. Now let's see. This is really an amazing, extremely powerful concept. The idea is that any file can be made unique and valuable. And it's amazing. It's also why you may be using Twitter, going crazy about NFT lately. NFTs are something that are already shifting art, gaming, and more. I don't accept you to fully get it yet. It makes zero sense. Maybe read it again. Just make sure it makes a tiny bit of sense before moving on. I just want to give you a little bit of base knowledge. So I hope uh, you have grabbed the concept. Basically, NFT is non-fungible token, a digital asset that we can keep it. It should be a unique and have a unique identification. Uh, so you can say that I have a unique digital piece. And how artists sell it by creating a smart contract using their wallet address, so everyone knows that this wallet address belongs to this artist and it kept its originality. Now let's move on to the next section.